Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the GitHub advanced part. So this part, what I am going to do is, uh, you have work on a team as a software development. So they are your company. You put as a there is a project. They will be uh, upload into GitHub. Okay, so the private repository, they sending the invitation to your email. You can access that particular project. This is a project. So how to get this project into your machine and work? So you have to go to the code. This project, when you click this, you have to go to the code section here. This is how you download the GitHub project. So click on this and go to the respective folder here. This is a backend application. So I'm going to type cmd. You have to paste on it. Here, if you are paste on it, before that you have to type git clone. You have to type git clone, press enter key, right? Okay, so git clone. So the problem is I haven't connect the internet. That's why the problem is happened. So now here, click on this. Now you can see this cloning here. Now you can see this, select your repository. Okay, here it's cloned successfully. You can see here. Now what you're going to do is clone successfully. Now I've opened this project in my VS Code editor. You just go here. My process is not over. So the code space dot to open the project. So this is not over. So when you are working with your as a company, first you have to go to the new terminal. Okay, this is very advanced part. What I am going to do is you have to type the git pull command to get all the project. If the project is, if you only type git clone, your respective the path of the GitHub link, your complete project is not coming actually. So you have to type the git pull command to get complete project. Okay, so you have to type git pull. Okay, then again you have to click on this and set up here. Right, it's updated. So again you have to write git checkout. You have type dot. Now everything should be updated. Okay, this is how we have get the project. Okay, this is a Laravel project I'm getting from the GitHub. Now with the Laravel project, the env file is not coming. The env file is not coming. So how to fix it? The GitHub env file. So we have to the env example. When you get the Laravel GitHub, it's coming as a .env example. So this go to the select the example. Control 8 select all. Control C to select copy. Okay, you select all. Control 8 select all. Control C to copy this one. Right click and new file. You have to type .env. You have to paste it over here. Okay, the env file. Oh, this is the example file. You just copy all things here. Default in Laravel 11 coming as database connection as SQLite. You have to change as MySQL. These are all the things you have to all control // to you have to remove the command. You have to specify the database name, which name is warehouse. I'm going to change this to warehouse. Okay, this is the name I have created, warehouse. Okay, that's the thing. You have to write it. You have to save all. After that, what you're going to do is here I am to this is the things. Okay, now I'm going to type composer install. I'm going to type the install command. Okay, you have to make sure this all the things are must. Otherwise, you are getting some error if you are getting the project from GitHub repository. This how we have set up your Laravel project. As a team developing, this is the things. All the things are must, right? You keep follow this instruction what I given. That's how we are getting from your project GitHub repository to your local computer. Right. So after that we have to, here I have specify the database connection. So we have to create the database. So create the database. I already created the database, this database. So you just give the new database. You have to provide the name of your database. That's the thing you have to write to create the database. Okay. I already created. You have to specify the name warehouse. Click create. That particular name you have to configure into your database connection setup in your Laravel file, env file. Okay. That's the thing you have to do it. Okay. Perfect. Here updated successfully, you can see the compass updated successfully. Now I am going to generate the key. So generate the key. So you type the command php artisan key generate. You type the command php artisan php artisan key colon generate. Press enter key. Your application key has been generated successfully. Now I'm going to do the migration part. Okay, so we have to do the migration part. So php artisan migrate. Okay, already it's migrated. So I'm going to run the project php artisan serve. Run the command php artisan serve. Now let's copy this URL, paste on it over here. Here it's working successfully. It's working successfully. This how we have do the this how we have get the Laravel project from the GitHub and run on your local machine. Thank you for watching.